With the holidays right around the corner, you might be thinking about presents for loved ones. And if you have a young music lover, or anybody really, who's wanting to learn how to play the piano, then you need to watch this. Alright, so this is the CASIO LK-94tv. I got this for $10 from the good old Goodwill. Probably one of the best things I bought from there for a while for such a cheap price. Now, I will preface all this by saying I am far from a keyboard player. I do not play keyboard at all. I play guitar. And actually, that's one of the reasons and one of the things that drew me to this and why I got pretty excited when I saw it there. Because I've seen these before, and I know that these are very good for beginners. If you have a beginner that's, looking into getting into playing piano or keyboard, I don't know what I'm doing, but this is definitely the keyboard I would say for you. It does have, I guess one of the main things that it's kind of cool about it is it has lighted keys. Every single key has an LED in it. And also integrated into this is this advanced 3-step learning system, which pretty much there's a bank of songs. Okay, so there's 65 of them. And We Got the Beat is the one that's always on there. I don't know if I'll be able to actually do this. I don't think it would get copyrighted. But so basically, the way how it teaches you is the keys light up indicating which key you are supposed to play. And I've been messing around with it, but we'll go ahead and start this first one, which is We Got the Beat.
3.
And then it will also tell you which digit you are supposed to use at the same time, so you'll hear that too. You can turn that voice off, but just for demonstration, I'll show you.
3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. 3, 1, 1, 3, 3.
The crows are going off about something. I should probably go check that. They're probably gonna M-word to my cat. So that's a good point. Crows, you call them an M-word if you see more than 2 of them, I guess. But I don't think I could say that on here, so it's an M-word of crow outside. I bumped you, I'm sorry. Damn it. Jeez, them crows are loud. I definitely butchered that. I'm sure there's going to be keyboarders out there who are just cringing at this. I'm very sorry, but... And then there's a step 2 and a step 3. As you can see, I haven't even got past step 1, so we're still working on it. One thing that is very cool about this is that it does have a microphone input, and there's a karaoke function. I don't know if I would really use that, but this microphone input got me to thinking about hooking a guitar up to it. Shh, hold on, we weren't supposed to go there yet. I'm sorry, but stay tuned for that. The lighted keys are cool. Now, another thing it does have for aiding in learning is it has these little rhythm sections, which I think, see, they're kind of like a preset drum sample. I can't play, I have no idea what I'm doing. So it also has a really cool rhythm section, and there's 120 different rhythms. We'll go ahead and listen to a couple of them right now. So 000 is pop. We have a world pop. BT pop. So bold 1. Pop, ooh. As you can see there, it also shows the notes you are playing. So that's pretty cool. Let's try some more here. The dance 8-beat pop ballad, I guess that would be. Okay, so I think you get the idea. So now there is also this really cool metronome function, which is always nice to have. You can change the beat, obviously you can change the tempo, stuff like that. You see, this is where you change the speak on and off. And for your lessons, you do have your left and your right, obviously hands. And so you can work on, doing either your left hand or work on doing either your right hand. I'm not sure what all of that is yet. There's a lot here that I'm just not really familiar with yet. And also, way over here where you can't really see, it says General MIDI USB TV. Now there are a lot of peripherals. There are a lot of peripherals for this that I do not have, which I think I can hunt them down on the old Evil Bay or something like that. And like I said, I don't really do keyboards, but I do like to be able to make beats. I kind of wanted to get a looper, something to where I can make a beat and then play guitar behind it. This has actually, we'll hit tone. We'll go 258, which is the power set. Down along here, there's all different percussion instruments, you will notice. And basically what it is, they have different drum sets in here. So let's change the view on this. What I would like to do is just to be able to make a beat. That really shook the camera. And I would like to be able to make that beat and just record it somehow and have it loop and play over and over. I don't know if this is capable of this. I really would like to be able to figure out a way how to do that. If anybody is knowledgeable of this LK-94tv Casio and knows of a way that is possible, go ahead and put it down in the bleep loops. I'd really appreciate any input on this. I'm not very keyboard savvy or piano savvy or anything. Really more better on guitar. So I don't know if anyone knows out there of a way, let me know down there. Oh, hold on. Cowbell. Got a clap. Down here, you can also count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then it has some applause. That's more like a crowd. That's really cool. It's flashing on the camera, but this light stays lit, obviously. The frequency isn't matching up. Which is weird, because if it's direct current, why does it do that? Again, put it down the bleep loops. Now, why when I do that, does it... So when you make a chord, does it... I don't even know any chords. I do, okay, so that's a chord. Some type of chord. So I guess if you hit a chord while you're in drums mode, it will play the chord and also play that. See, I don't know a lot about this. Yeah, bleep loop down in the comments if you know about that too. Just do like my kids do. My kids wrote that. Another thing, there's a very large song bank, and it will literally play, you know, whatever songs. Let's pick a good one. Receive his gift, and everybody, there's something but a party. Where did my cigarettes go? I can't find the Hey, did you guys hear that? Yeah, I did that. I was playing that. I'm getting better. Alright, so this is what I was wondering about. Now, I have an acoustic electric guitar. The output is usually somewhere around what an electric guitar is. So, I think in theory, which an electric guitar is kind of close to a microphone's output as far as voltage. But now, what I'm wondering is, if I hook this up through the mic, what will happen? And honestly, will it be loud enough? So this does have a mic volume. I can hear something. Oh, wow. That worked a little bit louder than I thought it would. Sounds like it might be overdriving. Change the phase. Okay, so that worked a lot better than I thought it was going to. Now I wonder, if I change tone, will it change the tone through the microphone? I doubt it. It even overdrives it. It does not. It does not change the tone. There, that's the best you're gonna get. It's hard to play keyboard and guitar at the same time. Doesn't sound the greatest. Wow, so it's not very good, but the chorus and reverb actually does work through the microphone, so apparently you could add chorus and reverb to your vocals. Sounds like shit. I think just the acoustic guitar sounds better.